All right, guys, so it looks like our social media universe is increasing. So there's a new app called Threads, and I don't mean the normal thread that we put in a needle to sew our dresses with. No. So this one is an app, and it is owned by Meta, which is a parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, which is spearheaded by this guy. Yeah, Mark Zuckerberg. So Thread is a text sharing platform just like Twitter, where you can share text, you can reply to text, you can also add a text, you can also share images, you can share videos not more than 5 minutes long, of course, and you can also share links to your other social media posts on the platform. So let's say you have a YouTube channel, you can share the link of your YouTube videos to the platform, and the same for Facebook. So you can share the links to your content on this platform to your Thread account. So one great thing about this platform is that you can also directly transfer all of your Instagram followings to your Thread account. So Thread was created by the Instagram team, and it is interconnected with Instagram. So if you have huge followings on Instagram, you can just transfer all of your followings to your Thread account. So that simply means that when your followers install the Thread app on their phone, then whenever you post something on your Thread account, then it's going to go directly to their Thread feeds. This app was launched in July 5th 2023, and that means just a few days ago, and it has already recorded 100 million users. So just imagine this app 5 days ago, the app was launched, and right now we are counting more than 100 million users. So if you are a business owner and you are someone who wants to build your brand on social media, then this is your chance to get on the app while it is still early. So remember when TikTok started, everybody looked at TikTok like it was for children, for those who can dance. But right now everybody is on TikTok. Every entrepreneur is on TikTok. Everybody who wishes to put themselves out there, to put their brand out there, to sell more products are on TikTok. This app is newly launched, and it is already gathering up so many users. If you're an entrepreneur, or if you are a business owner, or if you're someone who wants to just put yourself out there, to market your skills out there, market your services out there, then this is the right time to get on this app, because the app is still new and there are not a lot of competition right now. So what are you waiting for? Just start trading as of now. So that's why in today's video I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can start using the app right now. Okay, so you're going to open up Play Store and go to the search bar and type in Threads, which is Threads. And the first app you see, which is just like a thread, literally just like a thread. So just install it. I already have it in my phone, so I'm going to go to my home screen. This is it right here. So just click to open it up. Now once you open it up, it's going to ask you to log in with your Instagram account. So just click there. Next, it's going to send you a login request to your phone. So you need to first of all make sure you have installed Instagram on your mobile device before you start using this app, since they are interconnected. So you need to accept the request and then click continue at the bottom. And then next, it's going to take you to where you're going to set up your profile. So you can just import your profile from Instagram by clicking import from Instagram, or you can set up your profile manually. So I'm going to set it up manually. So I'm going to start with a link. So I'm going to go to my YouTube channel and get the link of my YouTube channel. So while we're at it, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to support the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So click the three dots at the top and then click share. You're going to see copy link right here. Just click on copy link, and then we're going to go back to the app. And then we're going to go to where it says link, the box which says link. Click there, and this is where we're going to paste the link. So just click and hold for long, and then you're going to see paste option. Just click paste, and that is it. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can also paste the link of your Facebook page. If you have a Facebook page, you can go copy the link of your Facebook page or your TikTok page and then just paste here. Next, click the tick at the top and then click OK. Next is to set up our bio. So just click on where it says bio, and we're going to write our bio. So you have to be specific here, and after you're done, just click the tick at the top. And we're going to click the right arrow at the top right hand corner to take us to the next step. So this is the next step where you can choose to make your profile public or private. I'm going to leave it at public and then go to the bottom and click continue. So this is a step where I can still follow all of the accounts that I follow on Instagram. So as you see, these are the accounts that I follow on Instagram, and I can just follow them directly by just clicking on the follow all button. And if they already have Thread on their phones, so they're going to see me as a follower on their account. But for now, I'm going to leave it like that and click the front arrow. And then next, we're going to click the join thread at the bottom. Now this is my home page, nothing is visible. So I'm going to go to my profile, just click the little person icon, and you're going to see this is the profile. So as you can see, I have no profile picture there, but it can be adjusted by just clicking on the edit profile option. So it's going to take me back to where I can edit my entire profile. So right at the top, you're going to see where I can change my profile picture. Click on the icon, and right here you can choose a profile picture from your phone, or you can directly import the picture from your Instagram account. So I'm going to import from my Instagram account, and there it is, and then click done at the top. And right now my profile picture is already established. So as you can see, this is my account with my profile picture. So at the bottom, you're going to see the search icon. When you click on the search icon, it's going to take you where you can search for a specific person or a specific niche that you might want to follow. So let's say you have a specific person that you want to follow. You can just click on the search bar and just type in the person's name, or you can also type in a niche, the niche that you are in. So I'm in the tech niche. As you can see, I am typing the tech. Anything that concerns tech, I'm just typing to look for people that I can follow and just engage with them. So that is how you can also use it. Now if you click on the home icon, you're going to see what your followers or the people you're following have posted on their thread feeds, so you can also interact with them. So you can go to the heart icon down here where you can see the activities that you have going on. So you can see requests that people have requested to follow you. You can confirm the request. You can also see the replies to your post. So you can click on replies, and you're going to see the replies to your post. And you can also click on mention to see those who have mentioned you in their post. Next, we're going to go to the most important part, that is how to post on Thread. So click on the middle icon, which looks like a little pen and a book, and it's going to take you where you can start writing a post. Now if you want to attach a picture or a video to your post, you can simply click on the little pin icon at the bottom of the post, and it's going to take you to your gallery. Click on allow to give Thread access to your photos and your media, and right here you can just select the video or the picture you want to post and click done, and this is it right here. So I'm just going to further edit my post. Once I'm done, I'm going to scroll down at the bottom. You're going to see post. Click on post, and it's going to post, and this is the post right here. So that is how you can post on your Thread feeds. Now if you want to share your Thread post, you can click on the three dots beside the post, and you can share it to your WhatsApp page or your Facebook page. So I'm going to share it to my Facebook page and just type in something: hi, just joined Threads, let's connect, and that is it. So that is how you can easily post on Threads and share your posts. Another way you can create a post on Thread is to just share a link to a video from any social media platform. So this is an example of a video that I copied a link from my YouTube channel and just paste it in here, and this is how it's looking. Now another thing about the app is that once you join Threads, you're going to see the number that you are on the app. Simply go to your Instagram account. So this is my Instagram account, and you're going to see the Thread number right up here. Click on that number, and that is a number that you are on the app. So I am number 93,348,395 person. So that is my position on the app. So I created my account just yesterday, which was the 9th of July, and today, which is the 10th of July, the number of users on the platform has already reached 100 million. So you can see the growth rate of the app. So if you are still on the fence on whether you should create an account on Thread, then you should not even hesitate, because the app is growing at a fast rate. So if you want to build your brand, if you want to get yourself out there, this is the right time for you to join the app while it's still early. Remember, the new birds are always the one who gets more advantages when it comes to these apps. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and also tap on the little bell icon so that you will get notified from YouTube whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.